awareness session on net zero. Uh, we will provide this training online. Introduction. Hello everyone. Welcome to this awareness session on net zero. This online session is designed to help professionals and organizations understand net zero principles, carbon reduction strategies, and practical implementation pathways for sustainable operations. In today's global business environment, sustainability is no longer optional. Regulatory expectations, customer requirements, investor pressure, and environmental responsibility are driving organizations toward structured carbon reduction commitments. This session provides technical clarity and practical guidance to support your net zero journey. What is net zero? Net zero refers to balancing the amount of greenhouse gases emitted with the amount removed from the atmosphere. Net emissions equal to emissions produced minus emissions removed equal to zero. Key greenhouse gases include carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, fluorinated gases. Net zero emphasizes significant emission reduction, energy transition, operational efficiency, responsible offsetting of residual emissions. It is important to understand that net zero focuses on real reduction first and offsetting only unavoidable emissions. Why net zero is important for organizations? Organizations are moving toward net zero due to first, regulatory compliance requirements, second, ESG, environmental, social, governance expectations, third, customer supply chain requirements, fourth, investor and stakeholder pressure, fifth, long-term operational cost reduction. Many global corporations now require suppliers to measure and report carbon emissions. Proactive sustainability planning strengthens competitiveness and corporate credibility. Understanding carbon footprint. Carbon footprint represents the total greenhouse gas emissions caused directly or indirectly by an organization. Emissions are generated into three scopes. First, scope 1, direct emissions from owned or controlled sources. Fuel combustion, company vehicles. Scope 2, indirect energy emissions from purchased electricity, steam, heating or cooling. Scope 3, other indirect emissions from supply chain activities, logistics, business travel, waste disposal and product life cycle. For most organizations, Scope 3 emissions contribute significantly to total impact. Accurate carbon accounting is the first essential step toward net zero planning. Practical strategies for emission reduction. Achieving net zero requires structured action. First, energy efficiency improvements, equipment upgrades, process optimization, preventive maintenance systems. Second, renewable energy integration, solar energy, wind power, green electricity sourcing. Then, sustainable supply chain practices like supplier emission monitoring, low carbon material selection, logistic optimization, electrification and process innovation, transitioning from fossil fuels based systems to electric alternatives. Carbon offsetting, this is final step, used only for unavoidable residual emissions through verified mechanisms. Reduction should always take priority over offsetting. Industry case discussion. Example scenarios include manufacturing companies reducing electricity consumption through energy audits, installation of top solar systems to reduce grid dependency, logistics optimization, reducing fuel consumption, process improvement, lowering material waste and emission intensity. Net zero initiatives often result in both environmental and financial benefits. Tools and frameworks. Organizations may use carbon accounting tools, life cycle assessment, LCA methodologies, energy management systems, structured sustainability reporting frameworks. Continuous monitoring, documentation, and performance tracking are essential for long term success. Who should attend this awareness session? This session is suitable for sustainability and environmental managers, quality and operations professionals, CSR teams, energy and resource management professionals, compliance officers, senior management representatives. It provides foundational clarity and structured understanding for sustainability initiatives. Conclusion and invitation. Net zero represents a strategic transformation towards sustainable and responsible operations. Organizations that proactively understand carbon management will gain improved compliance readiness, enhanced brand reputation, operational cost savings, stronger supply chain alignment. To participate in our online awareness session on net zero, please contact URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Mobile is +917359458455. Closing call to action. If you found this session informative, please like this video, share it with your professional network, and subscribe to our channel for more industry focused training updates. Stay informed, stay responsible, move toward net zero with confidence. Thank you for watching.